Why is a Japanese doctor warning people to put a snake plant in their room? He mentioned 6 reasons, and I'm going to tell you right now without delay, and I'll tell you in advance. The 6th reason is controversial and will cause a lot of buzz in the comments. I'm sure of it. Number 1, folks. According to NASA studies, the snake plant is one of the plants that produces the most oxygen and purifies the air compared to other plants we might have at home. So that's the first reason. Number 2, folks. Most plants produce oxygen during the day, right? But the snake plant produces it at night, which aids in sleep. So during the day, it will absorb the bad air with some components that aren't so healthy for humans. And at night, it will release the purest oxygen. Number 3 now, folks. The snake plant is capable of removing pollutant toxins from the air. This means it's very good at combating allergies. And as I said, this will happen during the day. And at night, your room will have clean air free from impurities. All right. Number 4, it's a super easy plant to care for. It adapts to different light conditions and doesn't need much water. Being native to South Africa, it withstands drier and hotter climates, which makes it durable even without water. It also doesn't need direct light to grow, so it can easily stay in places with little illumination. The bedroom is an excellent option. Number 5, that it's very beautiful. Need more reason than that. It looks great in the bedroom. In the bathroom, it will decorate your house because it's a wonderful plant, and it will help those who have problems with rhinitis, sinusitis, and other respiratory-related diseases. Number 6, I saved the best for last. All right, there are people who believe it absorbs all the negative energy from certain people who visit your home. These people who believe this suggest placing the snake plant next to the main door of your house to contain this evil. Do you believe in this or think it's not real? Leave your opinion in the comments and tell me. Do you have this plant in your house? Or do you want to have it? A very important note, folks. There are many reasons to have a snake plant at home, but it's important to handle it carefully and always keep it away from small children and pets, because its leaves are toxic and can cause allergies and should not be ingested. All right.